guys, today we are going to try out a new snack box from
Snackverse.
They kindly sent us a box full of snacks to try out. So Snackverse delivers a box of snacks to you from a different country to your door. There are 3 different types of boxes that you can choose: the mini, original or premium box. So the mini box is $7.99 per month, the original box is $13.99, and the premium is $23.99, and shipping is free for addresses in the UK. I think the price is really reasonable.
Let's see what we got.
Greece!
We got Greece! Yay, Greece!
You excited?
Yeah.
So in here we got some facts about Greece. I think we got the original box.
Yay, we got
Yeah, looks
original.
nice.
We always get the original, so I think that's normal. Oh, there's a drink. I want to see
Ooh,
this.
you want to try that first?
Mm.
One of the most popular Greek soft drinks. Enjoy this refreshing drink in sour cherry flavor. You don't like it?
Not really. It doesn't even taste sour.
Oh my god, this actually reminds me of a drink I used to drink as a child. It's not too sour, it's quite nice, it's very sweet. Ah, I love it. The next snack we are going to try is this thin cut crispy crunchy potato crisp covered in delicious oregano seasonings. Very good. This is really good. Oops.
Soft strawberry shaped jelly sweets with real intense strawberry flavor.
It is quite hard. I'm not the biggest fan of like jelly and gummy bears, but
This one's
it's not too sweet. 2 crispy wafer sticks coated with Pavlidis chocolate. This dark chocolate has been a popular Greek treat for many years. This also reminds me so much of something I used to eat as a child. which I
me
love.
too. I feel like I
You
ate
too.
something
You are
like this.
still a child.
Okay, but it just feels like I ate something like that.
Tasty, crispy, barbecue flavored crackers for a delicious crunch at any moment of the day.
That means you now.
I really like the flavor, and I'm not the biggest fan of barbecue, but this is really nice.
So I know 7 days from chocolate croissants.
Soft, light, melt in your mouth cake with a delicious sweet vanilla filling, topped with a drizzle of dark chocolate. You love it, don't you? That's really good. So next we got these salty sesame sticks. I actually love sesame seeds, so this is really nice.
Just to let you know, if I eat weird, it's because my mom usually says I eat a bit like a rabbit.
Traditional Greek biscuits that combine delicious taste with memories of childhood. It's sweet but not too sweet, and this is the kind of biscuit that as kids we would like dip into our tea or hot chocolate. It's really nice like that.
Yeah.
Healthy traditional Greek snack made of tahini, crushed sesame paste. That sounds really interesting. I never heard any snacks made out of tahini, so I wonder what that's going to taste like. Let's just share this small bite because I'm not sure you will like it.
Oh my gosh, mommy. Yeah.
It's very sweet. But it's healthy. I'm not sure about this one. This also reminds me of something from my childhood. I'm not sure what exactly. Might be like a Turkish sweet that it reminds me of. But yeah, it's a bit too sweet for me, so it's not something I would eat. But it was interesting to try. A rich coconut filling at core, layered with crunchy puffed rice and then softly wrapped in iron milk chocolate. It's a big bite. What do you think?
Love it.
Yeah?
Not very sweet.
It's a really nice snack. I like the little like rice balls, or rather like the crispiness. It's really nice.
Once I tried watermelon, not watermelon, coconut, and I really did not like it, but it tastes the same and it actually tastes good. Probably because I grew up, I like it now. Bye-bye.
So we tried all the snacks. It was really nice to try out some new snacks, some new flavors, and I think it's such a cool idea to have this kind of subscription and try out different flavors from all around the world each month. So this is the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Bye, thanks for watching. See you next time.